This video demonstrates how to add new device family to your existing eSquare Studio installation. You can either run the eSquare Studio installer again or select Install New Software from the menu. Running the installer again is recommended. Method 1. Rerun the eSquare Studio installer. Run the eSquare Studio installer and select Modify in the dialog. If Modify is not available, please reinstall eSquare Studio. Select the device family you want to add. Click Next. Select any additional features and software you need or keep the default settings. Accept the software agreements and click Next. Then click Install. The selected devices will be supported after installation is complete. Method 2. Use Install New Software menu. Launch eSquare Studio. Select Help, then select Install New Software. Wait for the device family information to be loaded. The Install dialog appears. Select eSquare Studio Update Site in the Work with drop-down list. The modules will appear in the list. Select the device family you want to add, then click the Next button. The Install Details page is displayed. Click the Next button. The Review Licenses page is displayed. Check the I accept the terms of the license agreements and click the Finish button. During the update process, the Trust Authorities dialog will be displayed. Click the Select All button, then click the Trust Selected button. Next, the Trust Artifacts dialog will appear. Click the Select All button, then click the Trust Selected button. Finally, the Software Updates message will appear. Click the Restart Now button. eSquare Studio will restart. After eSquare Studio restarts, the installation is complete, and the device is now supported.